In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add a website to your Hostinger account. Like this is a premium web hosting which I've purchased so far, and this is one domain which I've purchased basically, and we can add multiple websites to it basically. So I'm gonna add a website to it. We have 5 websites already there, and we can get a new hosting plan whenever we want, but I don't need that one, so I will simply add a website now. Okay, so we have here multiple options like Hostinger Horizons. Like we can use AI to create web apps. We can go for WordPress as well, and Hostinger website builder as well, and custom PHP HTML website. I mostly use this one because most of my projects are like custom made, so custom built. So you can see here as well, these three are custom built websites, and only these two are WordPress ones, and I just made them to test, we can say. So we can migrate the website as well, so you can set up any of the website which you want. Okay, and let me show you that if you have a WordPress website, you will get a WordPress admin. Here you will get different tools and a dashboard as well. But if you have a custom built website, then you get the dashboard which looks like this. So you have a file manager which takes you the to the files place where we place all of the files, and we have a database which gives us to access to the database of this website. So, and we can also access, also check out performance, analytics, security, and everything. So do explore all these things. Thanks for watching.